A Snowstorm by T.F. Young. Read for LibriVox.org by Bruce Kachuk. I hear the wintry wind again. I see the blinding snow, piled high by eddying winds in heaps, no matter where I go. The storm is raging hard without, but let us not complain. For fiercely though it rages now, a calm will come again. And though the wildly raging storm makes all things bleak and bare, beside the fire we brave it well, and closer draw our chair. In social fellowship our hearts with kindly thoughts grow warm. Then is there not a pleasant side e'en to a raging storm? And when the angry storm has calmed, as every storm must do, then sure the tempest's handiwork has pleasant features too. An artist's eye would look around upon these calmer days, and view the pure white heaps of snow with pleased and puzzled gaze. Like purest marble, deftly carved, they stretch o'er vale and hill, fair monuments, not made by man, but reared by nature's skill. The sweeping curve, the graceful arch, the line so firm and free, a skilful sculptor well might say, "Can this teach aught to me?" The trees are robed in purest white, and gleaming atoms shine from out the snow, beneath the sun, like stones from Ophir's mine. The merry shouts of busy men sound as they dig the snow, and when the way is clear the bells with joyful jingle go. Then who shall say the tempest's work brings more of pain than joy? Or that the evil things to us are pain without alloy? Then who shall say the tempest's work brings more of pain than joy? Or that the evil things to us are pain without alloy? End of poem. This recording is in the public domain.